Exodus 15:26 says, "For I am the Lord who heals you." To the weary, to the broken, to the sick in body, to the wounded in heart, lift your eyes and receive. Jehovah Rapha is here. I came in weak, I came in torn, carrying pain too deep for words. But in your presence, fear has to leave. Where you are, Lord, I can breathe. You know the tears I never showed. You felt the weight I carried alone. Now every shadow starts to fade when I call on Jesus' name.
Chains are breaking one by one.
Darkness trembles
At your love.
Every mountain has to move when the healer walks the room.
Jehovah Rapha, my healer.
You never fail, you never change.
Jehovah Rapha, my healer.
I call your name, healing comes again. Jehovah Rapha,
My healer.
you touch my heart, remove the pain.
Jehovah Rapha,
My healer, I call your name, I'm whole again. For every heart that's been betrayed, for every body filled with pain, for every mind that lost its peace, let your healing be released. For those who cry themselves to sleep, for those too tired to even speak, let resurrection life arise. Bring dead hopes back to life tonight.
chains are breaking one by one.
Darkness trembles,
At your love.
every mountain has to move when the healer walks the room. Jehovah,
Rapha, my healer.
you never fail, you never change.
Jehovah Rapha,
My healer, I call your name.
healing comes again.
Jehovah Rapha,
My healer.
you touch my heart, remove the pain.
Jehovah Rapha,
My healer, I call your name, I'm whole again. I'm whole again. Hey! 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 Heal me now.
heal me now. Every knee must bow somehow. Cancer breaks, depression flees. Peace is falling over me.
Heal my heart, heal my soul. Take these pieces,
Make me whole.
what you promised.
Still remain
There is power.
in your name.
Jehovah,
Rapha, my healer.
you never fail, you never change.
Jehovah Rapha,
My healer, I call your name.
healing comes again.
Jehovah,
Rapha,
my healer, you touch my heart, remove the pain.
Jehovah Rapha,
My healer, I call your name, I'm whole again. I'm whole again. You are my healer. You are my peace. Jehovah,
Rapha.
I am restored.